Well, I mean, in the match.
Right, Jacob's out there. If I was Nick Aldis, I'd wait out there. Oh. Yeah.
Don't expect to see anything resembling quick from these two, but
oh,
taking them out as the bloodline.
dang.
The bloodline has been dismantling Motor City Machine Guns in the tag team championship.
It'd be a weird time for Roman to come out. He just walks out. He just walks out for no reason. Yeah. Oh. Tongaloa's the GOAT. I kind of wanted him to. No, get your booty out of there. Nice to meet you, Tribal Chief. Oh.
That's Jay.
That's Jimmy.
That's Jimmy.
I hoped. No, you can't tell as much anymore because Jimmy lost some weight.
That's true. Ooh. Get him, Jacob. I mean. Yeet. 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 Don't you hear us? Yeet. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
What are we happy about?
Oh, yeah. Woohoo.
OTC.
I swear I
OTC.
saw somebody standing over there.
Is he here? Of course he's here.
Yes.
He's going to take his time, though.
He's moving faster than normal.
Jacob. Ah, eat it, Jacob. Oh. Roman chased him all the way out. Come on, Motor City. It's going to be hard against Tama Tonga and the GOAT.
And the GOAT, Tonga.
There's some cheaters out there. The crowd is really with them. Oh, there we go. Those punks. God. Arn Anderson would have been proud of that. What? They're going to cheat while the ref's unconscious. Yeet. Yeet.
Main event table. One can only hope. Cody.
Oh! Ah! Yeet. Yeet. Who is that?
Jay. I know they want to mask him, but I saw his tattoos. I know.
Oh!
And you already know Jey Uso. You already know Jey Uso because he's kicking.
He still got the hoodie on.
Some chicken's jaw for the Super Bowl.
Right, dude.
There we go.
Yeet! Yeet!
I manifested this tonight. I manifested it.
Oh shit, they're gonna win the belts. Are they gonna actually win the belts? Oh! That's it. Yes! Yeah, Detroit Wrestling! Yes!